Hello everybody and happy Wednesday. So right now I'm in DLF Phase 5, Gurgaon, India, and as you can see, we can see Titanic scenario here. The underpass is completely submerged in water. I wonder if there are any cars inside. Well, that's the rainy season right now. Stay home, be safe, don't drive around. I mean, don't party around, party at home. My goodness, I wonder if there are like cars inside this underpass. Well, again, from Gurgaon, India, DLF Phase 5. See you guys, bye.